Sir, if I select ASD in direct analysis, do I have to manually multiply my loads by 1.6? Great question. And if you are ever wondered this while designing in STAAD, you are definitely not alone. So let's break this down because misunderstanding this one setting can lead to serious underdesign or confusion in your STAAD load calculations. So let's first understand what is direct analysis in STAAD. See, in steel design, especially for flexible or slender structures, it's not enough to just analyze with original stiffness values. So STAAD's direct analysis method helps to simulate the real behavior of the structure by reducing stiffness due to the inelastic effects and including geometrical non-linearity like P delta. But now comes the important part. What happens when you choose ASD in this method? Now, one of the major confusion that students get during the learning is load factoring confusion. See, most beginners ask that do I need to factor loads manually for ASD? And the answer is no. STAAD does it for you. When you enable ASD under Perform Direct Analysis, STAAD automatically multiply all the applied loads by 1.6 during analysis. Then divides the results by 1.6 to bring them back to the service level, that is your allowable stress values. So this makes sure that structural stability is evaluated under amplified loads just as required by codes like AISC. So now just take a look at this screen in STAAD, right? See, under the analysis print commands, when you click Perform Direct Analysis, you get these two options. First, LRFD and another one is ASD, right? See, when you select ASD, STAAD internally applies the 1.6 factor logic we just discussed. You don't need to apply extra load factors, just model your structure with the service level loads and STAAD takes care of the rest. Now, what if you skip this understanding? See, many engineers either apply the 1.6 factor manually, again, which causes overdesign, or completely miss that STAAD is already factoring, which leads to underestimation. So either way, your results are off, and that's risky for both safety and economy. So the solution is how to enable the ASD in STAAD. You can activate this in two ways. Method 1, click on the Perform Direct Analysis and go to ASD. And method 2, you can use this particular command in your STAAD editor file as display over here. And STAAD handles the rest. See, stiffness reduction, geometrical effects and load factoring, all the behind the scenes. So remember this formula, STAAD plus direct analysis plus ASD is basically auto load factor 1.6. No manual adjustment needed and STAAD does the math for you the right way. So was this concept clear now? Have you used this setting before? Comment below and share your experience. And if you are learning structural design the smart way, make sure to like, save and subscribe for more real-world engineering tips. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, don't just learn software, learn concepts. Thank you.